the skies are getting dark and the clouds are moving in, when the storms of life fill our hearts within, just let our Savior in, for when we trust in Him, He will lead us beyond the rain. Beyond the rain, there'll be no more dying, no more crying, no more pain. When we put our lives in the hands of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. When we live our lives alone, try to make it on our own, still the heartaches, emptiness remains. If we hold on to God's hand, He will lead us to a land where the sun will always shine beyond the rain. Beyond the rain, there'll be no more dying, no more crying, no more pain. When we put our lives in the hands of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. Now the battle has been won. God sent His only Son to fulfill the promise of His name. If only we would believe, oh, what a gift we would receive to live with Jesus beyond the rain. Beyond the rain, there'll be no more dying, no more crying, no more pain. When we put our lives in the hands of Jesus, He will